guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, once again, it's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key. I'm back with another video, you guys. So I know that you all are interested in seeing how I make my hair growth oil, okay? So this is not as difficult. The only problem is trying to get the necessary oils to create this hair growth oil, okay? So all of these oils that I have, you guys, can pretty much be bought on Amazon. There's not a specific type. There's not a particular one that you need. You just want to make sure that it is a pure, natural, 100% oil, okay? So if you purchase, let's just say, for example, a lavender oil, which is one of the ingredients that we will use on the back or on the side, wherever it shows the ingredients, you want to check the ingredients. Make sure it's 100% whatever that type of oil is. So for this one, you can see it's 100% pure lavender oil. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that is the only ingredient, and you want to make sure that's it, okay? So for starters, this is a bottle that I've used before multiple times on my hair while, mixing my oils together. Now, let me tell you guys, I want you to, just let me put this disclaimer out there. I want you guys to check with your doctors, make sure you're not allergic to any of these oils, and all of that. And so I will be adding this MSM powder. Okay, and you can also purchase this on Amazon. So it comes with this little scoop right here, you guys. So I'm just going to add 1 scoop of this MSM powder, and that's going to be pretty much it. So I get my little bottle right here, and this is just a little leftover oil from previous, okay? So I get my scoop here, and I'm just going to pour it inside this little bottle right here, okay? So once I'm done with that, the main ingredient, if you will, is going to be the olive oil, okay? So you want to use the organic olive oil, extra virgin, if possible. If not, it's okay to just use olive oil. Just make sure it is organic or extra virgin, or just olive oil, if you will, okay? So then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pour, not halfway, but a little less than half of the olive oil inside here. And so there we go. So it's not half, but it's a little less than half. So if I wanted to do half, I would kind of go up just a little bit, but we're not going to do that. We're going to add our other ingredients in our hair growth oil. So then I'm going to use this 100% pure castor oil. Now, I have 2 types of castor oil, you guys, but I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to add just a little bit. And there's like no specific measurement. You just kind of want to make sure that you get everything inside, okay? So now that we're done with that one, we're going to use some avocado oil. And what I've learned, you guys, this brand, Now Solutions, is a really, really, really good brand. They have really good compliments as well on Amazon. So I've been purchasing a lot of different oils from them. So I'm going to add that in as well, okay? So now I am going to use some almond oil, okay? This is another Now brand, and looks like I need to order some more because I'm going to be running out. So after that one, now this one, these are the really, really important ones, okay? So you want to make sure that you use peppermint oil and your lavender oil. These are key, okay? If you don't use any of these oils, you guys, I prefer that you use olive oil, peppermint oil, and lavender oil, okay? And castor oil. Those are going to be like the most important ones, simply because they really help with your hair growth. All of these oils help, but this actually opens your scalp. Like, it helps penetrate, you know, the oil in your scalp and your hair growth, okay? But you want to be mindful of this peppermint oil. You don't want to be putting too much in there, because I've learned my lesson, child, okay? I used to use so much peppermint oil to where I be walking around smelling like a peppermint candy, okay? But you don't want to use that much. You just want to use, you know, a couple drops of the peppermint oil, and it looks like I'm running out of this as well. So I'm just going to add just, you know, a couple drops in there. Nothing too extravagant. Again, you don't want to use too much, but you want to make sure that the peppermint oil is indeed inside this oil. Okay, so I just put a few drops in there. And so now, you guys, I am going to use my Jamaican black castor oil. Now, this really helps promote hair growth. I've used this before on my eyebrows, and I've noticed growth, but it just takes forever, you know, but it does help, okay? It nourishes, it helps prevent breakage, it adds sheen and moisture, and it smells so good. I've just always been a fan of the way this castor oil smells. It doesn't matter what kind you get. This is mango and lime. I have a regular brand, like a generic brand. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's 100%. Oh, and it also has coconut inside. So I'm going to be needing to re-up on all of these oils because, honey, I am running out, as you can tell. And this black castor oil is going to give it a darker color. As you can see, it's already changing its tone right up in there. Okay, so honey, I gotta order some more of this because I'm out like a light. Okay, so now, you guys, you want to use carrot oil as well. So I'm going to add a few drops in here. As you can see, there is no exact measurement, you guys. I've just kind of been eyeing it, and I kind of just learned, you know, as long as I have a little bit of each oil in there, and the most amount of oil that I want to make sure is in here is the olive oil, okay? But everything is going to be inside. I just want to make sure that majority of it is the olive oil. So then now I'm going to go ahead and use my lavender, and I'm just going to pour this inside. Just going to give it a few drops. Okay. And last but not least, you guys, I'm going to be adding some vitamin E oil. Now, you can purchase any type of vitamin oil that you want to use. You can use this for your skin. You can use it for your hair. But I've seen pretty bad comments for people using this on their skin. However, I've seen good comments for them using it on their hair. So far, I mean, I haven't had any issues with this. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some of my vitamin E inside here. And that is it. So now I'm just going to put my top back on there, you guys, and just shake it up. Shake everything up. And there you have it. You have your handy dandy hair growth oil by Natural Hair Key. Okay, now again, you can use whatever oils you want to use. You can use the olive oil, you can use the peppermint oil, you can use the lavender oil and the castor oil, and call it quits. Me, I want to use whatever is going to help my hair grow. Y'all know I have been struggling with shoulder length hair for over 3-4 years now, and so I'm just now noticing growth with me using a lot of these hair growth oils. Also, the hair dealer is one. I mention that one all the time because I know that it works. Y'all, my edges was literally gone, okay? Now they are pretty much now growing back, and I'm so excited and so happy about that. But these oils work. Not only just the oils, you guys, the fenugreek seed water, okay? The fenugreek seeds, the henna, all of that stuff works. And it's like, you know, the aloe vera juice. It all works, you know, for the better for your hair. So if you guys try the oil, let me know. Maybe you could do like a 3-week, 4-week challenge on a designated area that you're having issues with. For me, again, it was my edges right here. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. And if you like it, let me know. Come back, give me some feedback. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.